Money, check. Got my drugs. No, I'm just joking. It's my ibuprofen and stuff, guys. I just had my wisdom teeth out at the beginning of the week, so I'm finally starting to talk and like finally being able to eat. So bear with me today because my mouth still does hurt, and I'm gonna try to talk as much as I can. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Today is the day that I've been talking about for a while, and I've been informing you guys on for a long time. It's bright and early right now. It's 7:30. All right, coming outside, guys. But this is it, guys. Figured why not get it? I have the cash, and it's gonna be sweet. Hopefully they have a decent amount in stock to choose from. I know there's years from 04 to 08. So yeah, let's get on our way. We gotta go to Queens, which is about like 2 hours from my house. Taking the good old soup today to Home Depot. Got the company van chilling right there, all decked out. Got the LED strip. I'm doing this build right, guys. I'm gonna take my time with it. And this is the build that I want to put down power, you know, and yeah, have the torque and stuff. So it's gonna be sweet. God damn. B, hey, good thing we're not getting the engine in this thing, right? He's gonna kill me because my silver car is just as bad. All right, let's see what they have, guys. 3 trucks. There they are, guys. So just gotta run in real quick, do all the paperwork. If you're gonna rent a truck, don't forget your insurance card like I did. So he was able to look up my policy number. But yeah, we got the Home Depot flatbed truck right here. It's got the ramps. It's got the ramps right down here, because we're definitely gonna need those. Got a pretty good deal on this thing, so we're gonna make this thing last. I have it for the day, so hopefully this thing gets the job done, guys. Like I said, I got the ramps in the back, and I gotta tell you guys, you know, I do wrench sometimes, but I don't think I've ever used ratchet straps, so that's gonna be kind of funny trying to figure out how to do that. But yeah, let's hit the road. My big Ford, baby. My big Ford. All I need is the John Deere on the back. I got my Crocs with socks. All I need is the John Deere on the back, and then we have a whole starter package. Ah, shit, I just stabbed myself in the eye. Just got the combis right now. Got to get that coffee. Your boy's got to eat. I got my coffee. I'm still tired. Codeine dreaming. I got my ibuprofen, my amoxicillin. Typical breakfast sandwich. After a year of talking about it, like it's crazy that today I'm finally biting the bullet and buying a motor that's pretty rare and something that's gonna benefit me in the long run. So I just can't believe it's real. I'm stoked. I can't wait to get there, see the selection, the variety of the JDM engines.
Hot 93.7.
Remember on the team, he put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP.
There's a Mugen. Hey.
They don't want to peek. These niggas all sweet. Sticks all in your cheek. They do anything for clout.
All right, you guys can see in our first batch of traffic right here. Hopefully it's not too long. We in the Bronx, all right? That was horrible. That was...
I hope he sees you.
We finally got off the exit for JDM Depot right now. Currently in Jamaica, New York. I think we're like 2 minutes from the location. And yeah, your boy is stoked, man. I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna bring you guys in there. They should be okay with me filming. Got tires. We're gonna park right on the street over here. The street's kind of tight, but they got a forklift so they can literally come right out to us. All right.
Where are they?
All right, guys, here officially. I'm freaking excited. Hopefully nobody tries to like tow the truck, but we're gonna go in here right now and see what they have for K24s. All right, so we got some tow hooks, or hooks, whatever you want to call it, tie-offs. Got the little, look at that, Lexus IS 300, 4-door little hatch. I don't know where you're supposed to officially hear right now. Look at this, man. There's motors everywhere. I think the K24As are up there. I could just tell by the manifold and stuff. So they literally have everything, like trannies. This is crazy, man. But we're finally here. I think that's one of the motors right there. Well, that's a K20A. Look at that. Just shelves of motors. Like, I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. It's crazy. But the moment of truth, the moment of truth. You guys can see all the K24As up on this top shelf right here. So it's the moment of truth. Your boy's stoked right now. So 8th gen's gonna get a little bit higher displacement, a little bit more torque. So I'm really happy right now. Look at how clean that thing is right there, guys. Like, no oil or anything on it, but it's not gonna even matter because I'm ripping it apart anyways. God, dude, I can't stop looking at it, man. It's immaculate condition, guys. Look at that thing. So for those of you who are wondering what a K24A is, it took me forever to do the research. Now, the K24A is pretty much the same thing as the A2. It's just the JDM version of the TSX motor, because in Japan, the K24A comes out of a Honda Odyssey Absolute. There's an Accord, I think Type S, that makes similar power. Grabbing it right now. Look at them. How long you been doing this? How long you guys been here? A while? Yeah. Look at that. Oh my God. My boy's got one boosted. He makes really good power, yeah.
I'm trying to get an 8K, but I'm trying to get a 4-door. I'm just trying to go okay with it.
Yup. And now these are compression tested.
Yeah.
Everything's good. All right.
Come on, running car.
Right. So here it is, guys. Here is the heart. Got the RB1 right there. You can see manifolds coming off. Throw the RBC on there, and then I got some work I gotta do. I'm gonna swap everything over on this thing, but here it is, guys. I just want to check. I want to check inside here. Clean. You can see, guys, everything looks pretty clean from looking at it. It's K24A right there. I'm like shaking right now. Like, I'm so excited that I'm finally here with it, guys. Like, I'm literally finally here, and all I got to do is hand the cash over and get it loaded, and I'm on my way home. This is sick, dude. For all you guys who are wondering like what this thing is, I'm gonna do a ton of like information on it pretty much. So look at that ECU shelf right there. Holy crap, man.
Put in a K24
Yeah, bro. Now comes the fun part, guys. I got this thing loaded. I should have got it on a pallet first with shrink wrap, but I was paying and I got sidetracked and was bullshitting, and I didn't really ask for it, so it is what it is. Pile on this side or something.
Here. If you tie it off to this, you could hook it down and
Let me see it.
wrap it.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Okay, that's tied down.
Tying an engine down 101. Finally got it. I had a couple like slow moments, but yeah, we figured it out, and everything should be good, guys. So you can see this thing's not really going anywhere. So hopefully it's a safe trip back to Connecticut. We got like 2 hours and change. See you guys when we get home. All right, guys, made a stop out here at Sonic right now. Banana shake, obviously. Made it back to CT. I'm really happy. I got the motor right here, as you can see. So she made it back to CT. There was really no issues. My ratchet straps are kind of hacked and they're kind of loose, but I mean, they got the job done. So I got to eat right now. And like I said, I want this I want this thing to be a good build. I'm gonna take my time, do my research, and make this thing sweet. Bolt-ons. I'm not messing around with any short ram intakes anymore. I got my header already, and I'll probably do a nice exhaust. I obviously popped the oil cap, and I shine a light down there, but you could see the camshafts. Like, everything looks clean, guys. So literally everything is supplied except for the AC compressor, all the accessories. I mean, as you see it on the photos is how it pretty much comes. Like, I got pretty much a manifold. I got another manifold I can run. It's an RB1. I was shooting for an RB2, but it is what it is. Probably gonna sell this Manny, and I hope that you're all as hyped as I am, because this is gonna be awesome. Like, the content I have planned, like I said, I already got it all up here, so stay tuned, guys. When I get home, I'm gonna pop the valve cover for you. Excuse the darkness, guys. After a long day, the K24A is officially home at the house. So it took 3 people to get this thing unloaded, but it was doable, and I still can't believe, guys, like, I didn't get the chance to pop the valve cover off tonight because it was late. I had to bring the truck back. Everything's clean, guys. The fuel rail's mint. All the sensors look good. Like, you could see the Honda Bond is like newish. Denso, I pulled the plug out earlier. I'm running Denso Iridiums. It's got a Honda Denso, or a Denso oil filter. Sensors are brand new. So I can't explain to you guys how freaking excited and ecstatic I was today on getting this motor. Like, it was literally the best day of my life, man. Like, I can't believe that it came true, man. I paid $700 for it. For all the people who are confused, you guys can see on the block right here. Let me zoom in. K24A. It was a little confusing at first for me, guys, to find the specs on this motor. I want to thank all you guys who watch my videos, people who are constantly bringing me up, you know, motivating me to push more content. You know, I look at the feedback, you know, I take, you know, constructive criticism. I get that my videos aren't anything crazy right now, but like, I'm working my best for you guys, and I'm going to do some cool stuff with this, and I know you guys are gonna like this because I'm getting excited just even talking about it. So huge thanks to all you guys who take the time and do what you do for me, and I want to make this build something you guys are all going to enjoy. So definitely be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I can't stress it enough. There's gonna be sweet content coming for this channel, guys. I have my tarp out right now. I got to get this thing all wrapped up because they're talking rain. So I have some parts for sale, so if you guys are going to need it, I'm definitely selling the stock mount. I'm going to be getting rid of the power steering pump, alternator. I'll be selling the manifold. If you guys are interested in parts, hit me up. I'm going to have parts. Let me know specifically what you want to see. If there's anything specifically you want to see, like, you know, I'm going to do probably a K24 tensioner, which is behind this tensioner cover. And then the whole chain case has to come off pretty much. I'm going to be selling this too, the TSX i-vtec spool valve. Definitely hit me up, guys, and let me know what you want to see. So I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys liked the video. Peace out. And remember, never stop wrenching.